Hi guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. So today's post is a browse through of Better Style April 2018. I'm super excited about this particular issue because it's got quite a few yummy patterns that I can't wait to make. Remember to stay tuned till the end to find out which patterns I'm actually going to be making from this magazine. So that's the magazine, guys, and I gotta say, I think that they did a really great job with this particular issue. The plus size section has got wonderful patterns like this off-shoulder top that has got straps that are thick enough for you to wear a normal bra with. I think that's lovely. And there's so many things that I'd love to make, like this racerback top that shows your shoulder blades, and it looks like it would be very interesting to make. And I also really love this particular shirt, which has got interesting dot details of the center front there. And I love this trench coat. It's asymmetrical and it's just got so much interesting detail in it. Like I said, so many things going well with this particular issue. And check out this jumpsuit with those epic sleeves. How epic is that? And here's another close-up of that blouse again with the dots and the details. It was hard for me to choose something to make from this particular issue, but I had to pick two things that I could actually make. And number one is this trench dress. I just think this looks so sharp and so stylish, and I'm gonna be making it in a red cotton satin fabric, which it's got a bit of stretch to it and it's got a little bit of luster, which is quite difficult to see in this particular lighting, but it's a really beautiful deep red, and it also helps that it's the featured sewing lesson. The next thing that I want to make is number 128, which is this lovely super easy pattern of jersey dresses for my girls, and I'm going to be making it using this crazy psychedelic 60s type fabric that I bought from Fabworks, and I will be using for the contrast this leftover scrap of blue and white striped jersey. So I am looking forward to making these things. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please give the video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, then please subscribe for new sewing related videos every week. And until next time, happy sewing. Bye.